Check, 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 check. Hello, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Sorry, we are like super late. We apologize. Volcano up, there. All right. Volcano, you see me drop our link? All right, Paige, where are you? You can click the link, jump up and, start class, don't it? Yeah. Big up yourself, Volcano. Yeah, no say there, man. No say there before you for me to write it. You see me? Waiting a Raymond to start. You know, see me? No, only not see me. No, bro. No link is here. Alright, well, on the sicker than big up yourself, rude boy. My job, see me see it again. I don't know, the link never drop the saga, but I'm gonna do it now. Big up, who there, see me? Welcome to Paige, Maths World. That's it. So if I head tough, like Simone, I can learn something today, though. Alright, tell me if you not see a link. Big up sicker than him. Real done in the place. All I know, you see link now? Tell me if you see link. I know I can put your solo. Like my name Bolo. You see it, you see it, you see it, you see it. Click the link and then set up yourself. Page, click the link, or if it now work, which is supposed to work when you click the link. The link is here now, bro. Alright. Click the link page. Supposed to set up same way. Alright, let's go see here now. Hold on. Alright. Auto stream. So page is here. Same capital solo. Alright, so page there. I mean I hear nothing. Oh shit, mute our mic. Hey, touch of Tyrant. What's up? Blessings, blessings. Thank you for coming. You know what I mean? Paige is setting up. She's gonna start class like no. Yeah, man. I know her, man. Yeah, I say, man. Yeah, I say, man. Oh, yeah, I say, man. Is it? Paige has set up herself. Look like. Big up Volcano over there so far. Big up the Dan. Sicker Dan over there. Is it? Big up Touch of Tarin. You see me? I think she's gonna continue from where she started. She started off with fraction and she's going to do. She did the plus and negative fraction, so she's going to go to multiple. Yeah, that's good, Taryn. See me? That's good.
Hi guys, welcome. I'm a bit late. I mean, really late. Hi, bro, Volcano.
Yeah, man, we are here loud and clear. Say present, miss.
All right. Is it Tarin? A touch of Tarin. How you guys doing today? Happy to see you too, bro. I saw you having a ball at your party. Ooh. JD in there, I guess. I guess she's tired of waiting, but I'll text her in a few.
She probably so foul. I don't know.
All right, so yes, was it yes? No, Saturday we started with adding fractions. Today we're going to be looking at multiplying and dividing fractions. All right, is there a topic that you guys want me to look at? Giving you a minute. Is there a topic that you guys want me to look at? All right, good, good. We have to Tarin. Is it Tarin? I'm trying to get the pronunciation.
Yeah, man, I pronounce it right.
All right, so I hope the kids didn't trouble the camera. All right. So as I said, we started with addition, so we are going to look at multiplication. All right, multiplication is the easiest topic or the easiest part of fractions because when you're multiplying, you're just basically multiplying across. Or in Jamaica, we say we can cross out the term them if it is similar, like the numerator is similar to the denominator, or the numerator can go into the denominator, then we cancel. That's what we said, right? But here, I mean, most of the kids are saying we just multiply across. So for this multiplication, 2/3 multiplied by 1/2, you can multiply numerators. Everybody know numerator is the top number. And that would be 2. 2 times 2, 2. And then we'll multiply the denominator, which is 3 times 2, and that is 6. We realize that we got a fraction which can be simplified. Okay. We realize that this is a fraction that can be simplified. So we can look at the 2 and say, oh, 2 is divisible by 2 and 6 is divisible by 2 as well, right? So we'd say 2 into itself goes 1 time and 2 into 6 goes 3 times, right? Okay, thank you, Raymond. Bless. So our new fraction is 1/3. So that's our answer. All right, is there any questions so far, guys? Volcano. I'm going to look at the same problem and how we do it back home. So we have 2/3 times 1/2. So we can do it the other way, which is just crossing out or canceling what is the same or what is similar or what can go into what. So 2 can go into itself once, and 2 can go into this 2 here once. And so we can say 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 1 is 3. You got that? Are you guys ready for some to do? Karen, Volcano, are you guys ready for some? Do you guys get this? Do you understand this? Want some baby math? Yes, Raymond, I know you want it. Oh, really? Really, Volcano? No, sir. Don't say that. Are you guys ready? All right, so let's give you guys one to do. Let us see who got it. So we're going to start with 1/5 multiplied by, say, 2/3. What is my answer? So that's number 1 for you guys. Type your answers in the chat and let me see. Come on. Ray, behave. Behave. Volcano, what you get? Remember, you're multiplying the numerators. That's the top number. So you're going to say 1 multiplied by 2, or 2 times 1, and then 3 times 5, and that will give you your denominator. So 2 times 1 give you your numerator, and 3 times 5 give you your denominator. All right, so Raymond said he got 5. What did you guys get? Don't come change your answer, Ray. And guys, please remember to go over to Page Math World and subscribe so I can start on my own thing. All right, go ahead, Taryn. So I can come off Raise Live and stop using this platform and use mine. So everybody, you guys who are here, you can go over to Page Math World and subscribe. So when I go on tomorrow, it will be my thing. Okay, Volcano. Okay, Raymond. Waiting on Tara, and she's going for her pen and her paper. Let us see if you guys are correct.
I simple.
Hi, Simple Things. What's up?
I
Hi,
Tommy.
Tommy. All right, so we're waiting on Taryn to give us her answer for number 1.
Tommy with the good things them.
All right, let us go on with this one. So multiplying straight across, 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 5 is 15. All right, so 2 over 15. Good job, Volcano and Raymond. All right, Tommy. All right, so we're multiplying today, Tommy. So we're going to look at another multiplication. All right, so Volcano, our next problem is going to be 2/3 multiplied by, let me give you guys, say 3 over 8. Let us see what you guys do with that one. You want to know how to put it in a decimal form? Sure, we can do that. We can convert a fraction into a decimal next. All right, so where are my answers? So 2/3 multiplied by 3/8. What's my answer? Remember, you multiply the numerators and put it over the denominators when you multiply. Really, Raymond, how you got 4? All right, so, all right, simplify that for me, Volcano. 6 over 24, that's what you got? Simplify it for me. So you're going to reduce it to its lowest term. All right, Taryn. Okay, Taryn got 6 over 24 as well. What is it as in its lowest form? Raymond, you're teasing people answer. You gave me the answer 4 at the beginning. You said your answer was 4. Come on, Simple. What do you think about Raymond's answer for the simplified term? So 6 over 24. Let's do it. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, of course, yes. And 3 times 8 is what? 24. And we're going to reduce this. All right, so Tommy said 3 over 6 or 1/2. Let us check. So we can say, we know that 6 can go into 24, right? 6 can go into 24 3 times. So we can say 6 into itself goes 4 times, and 6 into 24 goes 4. So our answer should be 1/4. Good job, simple things. Simple things, Tommy. Good job. Dear Jin, oh God, let me not spoil people's name. Dijane, right? All right, welcome, Dijane. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correct. All right, so let us look at. All right, let us look at some mixed fractions now. Let me get this tidy.
Mix it up, teacher.
All right, so we're going to look at mixed fractions. All right, so let us see if we have this one, what would we do? Hi, Tasha, thank you. All right, so we're going to have 3/5 multiplied by 1 1/2. All right, so let me see what you guys get for this one. 3/5 multiplied by 1/2. From our last video, we know we have to turn this into an improper fraction. So go ahead and turn that into an improper fraction. All right, we see Simple Thing and Tasha with their answers. Still waiting on the others. All right, we see Raymond Bless. We see Dijane. Seeing Tammy. Taryn, I'm still waiting on yours. Okay, so Tasha is a math brain. We see Volcano. Volcano look like a use calculator, sir. With a 0.9. Whew. All right, Taryn look like she's gone for a break. All right, so let us look at this. All right, we can turn this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So let us do that. So it's going to be 3 over 5 multiplied by 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2, right? And so we can go ahead and multiply straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 2 is 10. And so, yes, our answer is 9 over 10. Okay, Volcano. All right, Volcano, you are correct, Volcano, even though you gave me a decimal. We're going to convert this into a decimal for you. So this is a decimal. We're going to say, once you're dividing by 10 or 100, you count that amount of place. So it's going to be 0. You're going to count that one place to the left. And so it would be 0.9. I'm going to show you how to convert into a decimal. So Volcano and Raymond, great job. Who again gave me 9 out of 10? Ray? Probably I missed that part of the chat. Oh, and Dejane gave me 9 out of 10. Congrats. All right, so let us go to another one. You want me to explain? So everything you want me to explain from here?
Paige, she probably answer should probably understand the improper fraction that are the 1 and 1/2. Probably that.
Okay, sure. I'll go over that part of it. So, Karen, whenever you have a whole number and a fraction part to the whole number, what happens is that you multiply your denominator, that's the bottom number, by the whole number. Right? You're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then you're going to add. Oh, I see what's happening here. Oh, so it's a different problem up there. Sorry. So you're going to add the numerator. So you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then you add the numerator. So in this case, it will be 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, and that gives us 4. And you put it back over the denominator. You get that? Again, you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then you add the numerator. And so we get 3 times 1, 3, plus 1, 4 over 3. So for this one here, that's what we did. We say 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, 3. And so we put 3, and we put it back over the same denominator, which is 2. Any question? Any more questions? Did I miss anybody? All right, take a minute to digest this. I'm going to give you a one with 2 mixed fractions to multiply. All right, so, all right, no problem, Raymond. Oh, thank you, Simple. I'm trying. All right, yes, of course, I'm going to do another mixed fraction. I'm going to allow you guys to do a multiplication of a mixed fraction with 2 separate mixed fractions on each side. So let us get onto that. I have, so I have 2 persons from Jamaica coming in. They are doing CXC math and they want help with the fractions. So I was kind of like waiting on them. All right, so here we go. So we're going to do this one. Say 2 and 1/3 multiply by 1 and 1/5. So first again, guys, you have to turn them into improper fraction. Again, you multiply your denominator by your whole number, then you add. Remember, you add the numerator. So you multiply denominator by whole number, then you add the numerator. And then you can go ahead, after you do that for both of these problems, you can go ahead now and multiply them. All right, I see Tasha's answer. I see Raymond Bless. Still waiting on the others. I see a simple thing, breaking it down for us. Okay. Leave her alone. She's trying her. She's doing good. Actually, she showed me everything that she's doing, all the steps, which is good. All right, Volcano, you look like you love decimals, you know. So we're gonna do some decimals in a few. Yeah. All right, Volcano, what did you do and how did you get your decimal? Yeah. I'm not working with anybody with a calculator, you know. So tell me how you got it. Tell me how you got your 2.8. Raymond Blake, 7/3. You're changing your answer, sir? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's cheating. He's using a calculator, giving me pure decimals. But we'll know because he has to explain to me how we got his answer. All right, sympathy is a miss, what a piece of a kid. They say miss their front row of simple. You're asking me if your first answer is right, Raymond, or you're telling me? You need to be confident with your answer. Really, Tammy? Come on, Tammy. You're trying to get these into an improper fraction. Remember, you're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then you're going to add denominator by the whole number, then you add the numerator. So let us do the first part for you. Hey, Juba, thank you for joining in. So you're going to say 3 multiplied by 2, 2 threes. 2 threes, guys, is what? 6, right? 6 plus 1. So remember, you multiply denominator by whole number. Then you're going to add the numerator. So 3 times 6, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1, 7/3. And then what? What are we going to do? Multiply now. 5 times 1 is what? 5 multiplied by 1. Plus 1. What do we get? So 5 multiplied by 1 plus 1. Well, that's true, simple. So it's 6/5. What do we do now? We can multiply straight across, right? Yes, the denominator always stay the same. So the denominator always stay the same. So 7 multiplied by 6 give us what now? Who knows their timetable? 42, right? And then 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. And so our answer should be 42/15. You just made a simple error, simple thing, which normally happens. So don't beat up yourself about that. So who are the persons who got this? 42. Let us do it as a mixed fraction. So it will be 15.
No, Paige. She says somebody she do it back over and she get it right.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Yeah, we're going to
Tasha get
simplify
it
it,
right.
Tasha. Hold on a second, Raymond. We're going to simplify this. How many times can we get 15 from 42? How many times can we get 15 from 42? 2 times, right? And how much is going to remain? So 2 times 15 is 30. 30 from 42 give us 12, and 12/15. Right? 15, so 30, 42 minus 15. Just be quiet, please.
No, Imperial. Where you get your answer from daddy?
Yeah, no, Imperial I go come with him 42. So all right, but he would be correct for that part of it though. Remember my 42 man, you know. Thank you for coming in, Imperial. All right, so our answer, so that would be the simplified part of it, Tasha. So it will be 15. How many times you can get 15 from 42? 2 times. And how much is going to remain? So you know 2 times 15 is 30. So you take that 30 from 42, which will give us 12. 12 upon the same denominator. So so we are at 2 and 12 over 15. That's our answer. Or volcano answer 2.8 as a decimal. So volcano decimal answer was correct. And who again was correct here? Ursa.
Volcano, you're a criminal, you know. Trust you, you know. One of them bad scientific calculator using a volcano. I go on like a brighter than bad money.
All right. We're going to look at this part. We're going to take this part and do it simpler. So we have 7 over 3 multiplied by 6 over 5. We can reduce this fraction by saying 3 into itself 1 and into this 6 2 times, right? 7 times 2, 14 over 5. Do you guys see that? So we have 14 over 5. I think somebody has this. Or we can say 5 into 14 goes 2 times, remaining 4 over 5. All right, no problem, simple. Gotcha. All right, so that is for that one. Let us look at already volcano. Oh my God, we just get okay. You hear him, Raymond? Ask if class not done yet. Him and then put the wrong run go to door go play. All right. Another one last one, then we go to decimals. So we're gonna say 2 and 1/3 multiplied by say 3 over 7. That's our last multiplication of fraction. Let us see what you guys get. Mr. Imperial, what did you get for your answer for this one? Let me see your answer. Tasha, let me see your answer. What again? Karen. If I'm losing anybody, you can tell me to slow down.
National Tommy. Tommy, come on, man.
Yes, Tammy,
And
come on. Let me
simple.
show you.
And simple pattern and Tommy.
Kwesi, are you here, Kwesi? All right, so Tasha gave me her answer. Come on, Taryn, it's not that bad. I think you guys just block your mind against math. And it's so simple. You just need to just see the pattern. There's always some rule. Oh, got you, volcano, got you. All right, Mr. Imperial. Bro, are you still here? Hooligan, are you still here? All right, so let us get on. Still waiting. Give me one more. I need one more answer from somebody else. So I
I
have
do soon me
Tasha.
a drive, you know. May I drive
I
that
have
some mechanic
Tasha.
work out already.
Oh, gotcha. Tommy, give me an answer, Tommy.
My answer is 3.
Oh, Jesus. Okay.
3 over 1.
I think multiplication of fraction, you guys would love that over addition of fractions. So let's get on with it. All right, so we're going to say the same thing. 3 multiplied by 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. Multiplied by 3 upon 7. Look at that. That's a perfect math. So we just know 3 into itself, 1, and into that 3, 1. So those are gone. What is remaining is 1. And 7 into itself, 1, and into this 7, 1. So are we seeing that? So your answer is 1. Great job, Tasha. So your answer is 1.
You
Yeah,
get it
yes,
right?
Imperial. Yes, Mr. Imperial. That part is 7 over 3. Good job. Good job, guys. What about division of fractions? Who love division of fractions? Who love division of fractions? Who remember division of fractions?
I don't remember nothing about that. Oh, you're turning division in a multiply. Oh.
Mm-hmm. Volcano, just a community answer. All right,
Oh, yeah,
Volcano. Good
me,
job.
my copy, copy here. You
It's
watch
not Tasha.
Tarrant, so me no look none.
Oh, not you. Got you, Tasha. All right, so let us look at division. It's very simple. 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 6. And the rule for division, the rule is what? You're going to keep this first part here. You're going to change the sign, and then you're going to flip the fraction, right? Keep, change, and flip. So once you're given a fraction that you have to divide, you keep the first part of the fraction, you change the sign to multiplying, and then you flip the fraction. Flipping means you take the denominator, put it on the numerator, and put the numerator into the denominator. Done. So let us do that. So it's going to keep this first one, change the sign to multiplying, and you're flipping the fraction, so it's going to be 6 over 2. All right? And then you can go ahead, simplify, or you can multiply. You can simplify here, because you know that 2 is divisible by itself and 6, right? Okay. Good one, Volcano, yes. So 2 into itself goes what? Once. And 2 into 6, how many times we can get 2 from 6?
3, 3.
3. So let us look at baby ways. 0 apples. So we have 6 apples. Do you remember Stickman? We used to draw a Stickman at school. You remember the Stickman? So we have 6 Stickman, and we want to know how many times we can get 2 from it. So we can get 2, 1 pair of 2, another pair, another pair. And so we get 3 pairs of Stickman. And so 2 into 6 goes 3 times. Normally this part of the of fractions, you're not allowed to use a calculator in exam. For those persons who are doing exam, you have to do them from just recalling what you know about fractions. So
Tarrant a sampling, you know.
what? Oh, all right. So Mr. Imperial, you want to come teach that method? All right, so we change and we flip. We in Jamaica, we love KFC, so we just know that we switch the C with the F. We keep, change, flip. All right, and then we can go ahead and multiply. Or we can cancel again. 3 into itself goes 1 and into this 1, so your answer is 1. Everybody get that? Any questions? I'm wondering if my thing is not sure. All right. Thank you, DJ.
DJ says she get it.
All right. So who's ready for a division? Because remember, it's just 1 hour live, not going over the hour. All right. So tomorrow we're gonna do another hour. So you're gonna do this one. So anybody did not get division? First, you keep your first part of the fraction. Come on, Jared, don't make it look that bad. And we change the sign and we flip the second part of the fraction, right? So you keep the first, change the sign, flip. And that's all we do. We can simplify it by simplifying the fractions, or you can multiply across and then you reduce the fraction. All right. So some persons don't like this crossing out because it looks tacky. You can go ahead and say 1 times 6 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 over 6 is 1, right? And you get the same one. All right. So let us give you guys this one to do. Let's see who is going to get it. So say 2/3, I love 2/3, divided by, say 7, no, I don't want to give a mixed fraction, improper fraction. 6 over 7. So that one is yours. 2/3 divided by 6 over 7. Remember, keep, change, and flip. Well, that's a good thing, Volcano. I am glad that you're seeing it that way. I feel like I'm accomplishing something. Thank you.
Please, guys, remember to share out the live. Leave a like, leave a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to Paige Maths World. She's building her channel. She's just using my platform for now. So you guys, if you need more maths and tutoring, when Paige done, we don't can do CXC. We can have big up Jabawa.
Raymond, give them your testimony on CXE map and where you were coming
Yes.
from.
Yes, made it tougher than an evil volcano where I say it made tough like concrete. I want tougher than steel. And she taught me maths, and I got 2 in CXC, and if me can get 2 in CXC, trust me. I don't think nobody done that because me literally did hide from maths class at high school. Like I hide the maths teacher, literally I end up come married one. So it's like, but I'm grateful though because as I say, education can bring you anywhere in the world. You understand? If you want to go, you know, make no sense. Yeah, for example, you have a lot of people that say, yo, they want to go America, or they want to go England, or they want, you know, make no sense. You go England and you go. I not say, everybody have to do something, you know, but when you have math, at least if you go England or you go America, you know, you're going to get a good job. You understand? So,
You don't necessarily have to be math. You don't necessarily have to have math to
yeah,
do a
you
good
don't have
job.
to math,
You just
but at
need,
least,
Ramian, you just need common, the basic. Once you have the basic, then you can help yourself. You can help yourself. You know, anything.
yeah.
You don't have to be, CXC or anything. You just need to just know, say. You have the basic, you understand how to do like a basic conversion and all of that. Like I'm gonna do like conversions in one of my videos, like converting from grams to kilograms and from pounds to all of those. I'm gonna look at the conversion, and that's gonna be like about Thursday or Friday class. I mean Thursday's Thanksgiving, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but probably one of those days. All right, so we have DJ with 2 over 9 and Volcano with 2 over 9. For the first, Volcano gave me a fraction. That is so good, Volcano. So Volcano looks like he's actually learning. So let us check.
Volcano, bright boy, man. I'm not going like saying tough.
So 2 over 3, we keep the first one, we change in the sign, and we're going to flip the fraction. So it's going to be 7 over 6. We can simplify from here, or we can go ahead and multiply across. So we can say 2 into itself, 1, and into 6, 3. And so we have 7. That's 1 times 7 is 7. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And so our answer, oh, how did I get, oh, Lord Jesus. How did you guys get 2 over 9? Did I make a mistake on my end?
No, it look like them never cancel it out. The 1 and the 6, the 2 and the 6.
Yeah, you don't have to. So if you had, so let us do it another way. So if you had 9 over 3 times 6, it give us 18. So 9 over 18. And so you can say 9 into itself goes 1, and into 18 goes 2. So it could be, am I doing it correct? 2, oh, that's not right. That's not right. Sorry. 2 times 7 is 14, and 3 times 6 is 18. So you can have 14 over 18. 7, no, so it's 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. And 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. And so we have 14 over 18. What I did here, which part of it, Tyron, you're not getting. Dejane, what you're talking about, the 7. The 7, how did I get it? I got 7 here because I reduced these two. So I said 2 into itself 1 time, and 2 into 6 goes 3 times, right? Oh, I got you, Dejane, I got you. I got you. All right, and for 14 over 18, so I multiply across for those who did not see how I did here. 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 6 is 18, and you can reduce this by saying 2 into 14 goes 7 times, and 2 into 18 goes 9 times. So you still get back 7 over 9.
I see it now. I see it now. The 7 over, I still get it back.
You guys get that? Understand? Taryn, what are you not getting? Let me help.
Taryn, you want
Volcano.
me to drop the link so you can talk?
Volcano, did you understand what I did here? How I got 7 over 9, Volcano?
Oh, Volcano almost get it.
Where did I get the 2 from? Which 2? Here? From the original equation, 2 over 3. Tyron, is that what this 2 you're talking about? I'm not sure. Come on, Jaden. Math is not that bad. Welcome to my live. All right, so it's 2 over 3. So that's where we got that 2 from, because I'm not seeing any other 2 within this problem. So 2 over
Welcome,
3.
Mr. West.
So we keep the first part of your problem. We change the sign to multiplying, and we flip the fraction to 7 over 6. It was 6 over 7, so we flip it. Okay, no problem. All right, so what we did here now, we say 2 is divisible by itself and 6, so you can get 2 from 6 3 times, and you can get 2 from itself once. And so that's what I did here. I kind of simplified it here. And I said 1 times 7 is 7. And then I say 3 times 3 is 9. And so that's what I got. However, I did it the long way, Sharon. I say 2 times 7 is 14, right? And then I say 3 times 6 is 18. And then I went ahead again and I simplified it. I say 2 into 14 goes 7 times, and 2 into 18 goes 9 times. And that's still giving us back 7 over 6.
Give us one more, miss.
One more? Okay.
Yeah. But my understanding about it's like more it's soak, like wet rock.
All right, so let's give you guys one more. All right, so let us see. 3/4 divided by 9/10. 3/4 divided by 9/10. Go ahead, let me see what you guys get. All right, Taryn. I'm going to put this here so you guys remember what to do. You keep the first equation, you change your sign to multiplying, and you flip the fraction. So I'm putting this here for you guys to remember what you did. So we keep, we change, and we flip. Thank you, Wes. Give me your answer in the chat. Imperial says 10/9 for a second. That part is correct, yes.
What Imperial? Cool now, man. Can't laugh for Imperial again.
Still waiting on the answer, giving you guys a minute. So waiting on Dejanae, Jaden, Karen, Tasha. Yes, Mr. Imperial, you multiply the middle. Yes. Hi, Dolly.
Welcome,
Welcome.
Dolly. A Dolly, a bright girl. Show them what to Dolly.
All right, so Dejanae gave me her answer. Still waiting on the others. So 3/4 divided by 9/10. Remember, you keep the first fraction, you change the sign from division to multiplication, and you flip the second part of the fraction. Simple thing, I don't want no decimals. We're not working with decimals.
My simple start fall a volcano now,
Shall we put it in the calculator? Shall I
So
put it in the
Taryn chop her
calculator?
answer there.
All right, Taryn, thank you for your answer, Taryn. Thank you for trying. Let us see, though, what is the answer if you guys are correct. So Dejanae and Taryn give me theirs. Still waiting on Volcano. Where's the answer, Volcano, Mr. Volcano? Mr. Imperial, can I get your answer? Okay, so I need your final answer, Mr. Imperial. I need the final answer. All right, thank you, Dejanae.
Wait, Dolly, and I can't get it.
Come on, Dolly, give me your answer as well. Remember, you keep the first fraction, you change the sign to multiplication, and you flip the second, and then you can multiply straight across and break it down to its simplest form. All right, Mr. Imperial, simplify your answer for me and give me what you get at the end. 30 more seconds. I am trying to get myself into a hard school, but math was a problem. On the pass, I can't pass. You can pass math, Wes. You just need some practice. Give me some topic. You go onto my page, Paige Math World, subscribe and type your questions that you're having difficulty with, Wes. So if you are doing CXC and you have a problem with, say for instance, systems of equation or quadratics, whatever you're having issues with, you can type it in the comment and I'll prepare a video just for that. All right. Mr. Imperial, what is that? I'll run it from my class, sir.
That's a 30 more seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
All right, so we have Dolly. All right. Simple was saying to you, Ray, that you need to drop my link for my page.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm gonna do that now.
Um.
Take a add like no.
Okay, no problem, Dolly. No problem. All right. So let us see what you guys. Mr. Imperial, I'm not rushing you. You say the answer is horse, and horse is not an answer. What good try? All right. So let us let us try to get this one here. All right. So here we go. So we're going to keep the first part. So it's 3/4. We're keeping that part. We're changing the sign from division to multiplication. And we're flipping the fraction to 10/9. And now we can go ahead and we can multiply across or we can reduce. So let us multiply across because we keep reducing. So 3 times 10 is 30 and 4 times 9. What's 4 times 9, guys? 2 9 is 18 and 18 is 30 what? 6. So 30/36 and we can simplify this, right? Let us go ahead and simplify this. 30/36. What number can go into 30 and 36 without leaving a remainder? Oh, it's not me, Mr. Imperial. That's Raymond. That's how you guys should subscribe to my channel so when I go on there, you guys can see me and I don't have to rush you guys. All right, so Dolly says 6. Good job, Dolly. 6 into 30 goes how much? How many times do we get 6 from 30? Do I need to draw 30 strokes? 6 5 is?
5.
Good job. And what about 6 into 36?
6.
Good job. And so 5/6, if you guys had 30/36, you are still correct. But the simplified form would be 5/6. Good job, guys. So that was Tommy and who again? Not Tommy, Dolly and somebody else gave me that answer.
I think it's not the John. What's your name?
Tasha, was it Tasha? Um,
Tasha, yeah.
no, Dejane.
No, not
Dejane gave
Tasha.
me.
The John, yeah.
Dejane.
Congrats,
Um,
guys.
all right. Good job, guys. All right, so let us
Dali a
do
black
the
girl.
yes, congrats, Dolly. That's a congrats to me. All right. Oh Lord. Okay, simple. You come have English class. Dolly said, "On the way till me reach home, not do no more yet."
Ah, Dali on the road.
So, Tommy said, Raymond, some in a bright. My name is
Yeah.
Stamina.
Not this time, man. Not this time.
Yeah, yes, Legion. Congrats to you. You are the first person that gave me your answer. Jaden, did you get it, Mr. West? Where's Jaden? I think this thing Raymond has a little delay. Like the messages coming so late. Is it because I'm using my Chromebook?
Maybe. It probably are coming late on my own too. Poor Imperial. Imperial, we
Uh,
fix it for me tough.
remember, guys, you guys can tell me what you guys are not getting. Like you are having difficulty with decimals, whatever topic you are having difficulty with. Please let me know so I can make my next video with that. Where did Mr. Imperial, what do
I
you
think
mean?
I think we should do decimal next. Me really not good on decimal. Especially when them say go like 10 place or 100 place. But me know for do it about my always make mistake. I don't know why. Right? If I give me 10 questions, me know me I get probably about 6 out of 10.
All right, let me answer Tammy and Imperial. All right, so Tammy, I really wanted to do this for just math, my challenge just for math, because I wanted for my other students to be able to come on in and be a part of, if you get what I'm saying. Like I have some grade 12s now that having difficulties, and I could use it as a platform for them so they can come back and rewatch or something. I was thinking more like when Ray said to do it live, I was wondering if I should, because I was like, can I not just do a video and post it up there for them to see? But he was saying doing the live would be better. I'm not sure though.
Yeah,
Did I?
because like somebody can be there at this time and just ask a question like say, I don't understand that, miss. You know, them you can literally them I get literally tutor, free tutor too. Me I start charge. Oh, I forgot. You got your own channel.
Oh, all right. So Charing said the live would be is much better than the just. Yeah, I kind of like see with him because he was saying at that point they can ask question. It's like, on Zoom, when I was teaching on Zoom at the beginning, or even last year, March, when we went on to Zoom, um, we had a lot of persons, a lot of students, like at that point they were more outspoken because they could stop me and they were like, oh, Miss Hamilton, I didn't get this. Can you repeat or do this over? And, yeah, it's more collaborative in that sense. I can see what they're thinking or hear what they're thinking through the chat. Mr. Imperial, so this is just for tutoring and for fun, or is it an actual class? It's more an actual class. I mean, this is Ray's page. This is Ray's channel, Raymond's channel, and that's why I'm trying to get persons to subscribe over to mine, so at least I can start my real thing that I want to do, which is this. I want to be able to help persons who are, especially children who are doing math now and are struggling. So it's really to help people who are struggling. Yeah. I hope that
I
answer
think
your
you
question, Mr. Duran.
give I think you should give us 3 questions as homework and then we
Mhm.
can work it out back like a review.
Oh, for
When you're
tomorrow?
going back live.
Yeah, because I told you
Yeah.
for this week, since I'm out for this week, I'll be. All right, so yeah, I'll give two. All right, so since I did multiplication today and division, I'll just give the homework on that.
Do
Oh, thank
me
you, Tommy.
division can a little
Because
more.
Ramian, can you give me a
Yeah.
second, please? Give me a second. So yes, Tommy. Thank you for that. I was really wondering if I should or not. Come on, Mr. Imperial, come take your homework. Boy, you're running. We're running to. So 1/4 multiplied by 3/8, and we're gonna do a division. All right, thank you, Dolly. Yeah, and remember when you put that comment, like you say, if I can, Paige, can you do some distributive property? I can go ahead and do those, and then that can help you guys back at school or whatever you're doing. If you're in university as well, I can use this as to assist you guys as well. All right. So the second homework problem is 1.5 divided by 4/5. So these two are your homework. You're not too big to be in school, Mr. Imperial, or too old to be in school. You would be surprised, Mr. Imperial, how many students are out there that are struggling and they don't have the money to actually to go to school and to do classes. And if somebody can come up here and do a platform where persons can just get something enough to go and pass a test or a course, it is helpful. Um, Thank you, DJ.
Yeah, well, so I understand. Me used to talk like you too. Me don't really love maths, don't get me wrong. But as me say, if you follow PH, trust me, she make maths look simple. Like simple. You
And
understand?
remember,
And don't
there's always
ask any question.
there's always more than one method to solve a math problem. Like when I was doing my
No,
bachelor's. Thank you, Tammy. Tammy gave me her homework already, and Dali said she finished both of hers already for homework. But guys, come on, wait until till tomorrow. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, same time, probably about a little bit earlier or later. I'm not sure. Yes, simple. Yeah, because I did GED when I got over here as well. I did GED and it was good. I got a gold. I got a gold in it. Um, no problem. You can. And you can always put your questions in the comment and I'll try to answer as many as I can. All right. Um, I was trying to answer somebody question up here and it missed me. Yeah, when I was doing my bachelor's, I mean, I wish I had persons like to help because there were things that I couldn't understand and I didn't have the money to do in it, private or extra classes. So if there's a something like this that can help people, I'm willing to. Even when school restarts on Monday, I'll do it in the evenings. All I need is just people to say, yes, can you do this topic? And I'll go through the topic with you guys.
no, me can't bother with Dolly and Tommy. Them one too bright. No, me can't bother. Them done
Me not
homework
read too
already.
fast.
Them done homework already. Me can't bother with them.
Yeah, DJ, that's true. Yeah, many people not having money, especially Jamaican. All pop, yeah, they are struggle and them can't. Oh, let me tell you, when I was in living in Waterhouse, um, I had like several students that were doing CXC math and they never have no money to go. Like two of my pitting them next door. For them, teacher just quit and went overseas. Math teacher went overseas and they started my Saturday classes back home. And I used to do it on my veranda. And I mean, all seven students passed with a grade one. Ask Raymond. Raymond was there every Saturday
Yeah,
morning. They
man.
stay from 10 to 12, 10 to 12 every Saturday. And all of them, I got five grade ones and two grade two. The brown girl behind us got a grade two. Yeah, so two grade twos
Yeah.
and five ones.
Yeah, man. One of the mother them like them she really go all out and say thank you and buy her present and thing, you know. She really appreciate it because she said she didn't know say she don't really get one and thing. So all of
Yeah,
them.
no,
I think one of them may get two, no so.
two of
The
them,
brown girl
man.
get
The
two.
two, the brown one get two, and the other girl that around the road get two. The one from Outer Port, she did get
Mm-hmm.
two as well. But the other five persons got one. Yeah, but guys, yeah, I mean, I'm here. If you have any problems, any questions, you guys can come on in. I'm gonna try to host it after school, so I have to drive an hour from my workplace. I teach way up in the country area, so by the time I reach home, I'll have to take at least an hour or two break. But I can do an hour each day to help. Yeah, number two, you have to
Um
put it in an improper fraction, Dolly. The first part, and then you do the keep, change, and flip. I didn't get Jaden comment. Um,
Miss Hamilton,
mhm.
but you never know say you're very great, nice puppy. Your dog, the wheel up on the road. May I drive the van a come in and say, you don't realize say miss out of the house?
You must go through the back door. Sorry. All right, guys. So we're gonna close off now. I'm asking everybody again to go over to my page, subscribe, type in the comment which topic you want me to do tomorrow and the other day and the other day, and I try to squeeze them into a live. For the persons who are doing
Hold on.
CXC,
You
Raymond,
know,
just
say me
hold on a
can
second,
drop your
please.
link.
For the persons who are doing CXE math, no, I had two persons texting me today. Yeah, you can just type whatever problems you're facing now in school. So based on your topic that you're doing, what is it that is challenging you? Which topic? And I'll look at it. Probably I can't cover a topic in an hour, but I'll try to do it as simple as possible for you guys to understand. All right. Again, Raymond, see if I can drop the link in my page thingy in there so they can go over there. Hopefully tomorrow I can start my own thing. All right, guys, thank you for coming in for the homework. Dolly, you're too unruly. You're not supposed to do your questions yet until tomorrow. And also for again and Tammy, taking 5 points off of your grade. But I was trying to go back to Jaden comment. I was trying to see what he was saying, but I'm not able to. All right, thank you, Mr. Imperial, for coming in. Yeah, I am on Instagram. I just created this thing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm very clueless as it relates to social media, but I did create this account on Instagram. Somebody was asking me if I could do it on there. I'm not sure if it's the same thing you're asking me, Karen. But I don't know much about it. I don't know how to get on with it or to do anything on there. No, Tabby.
Hello.
All right, I'll pardon you just this
Let me
once. All
just
right. All right,
guys, I
Daddy.
don't know if you guys hearing me. There's the link.
Okay.
Badbury, Tammy, and Dahlia. Peer trouble. I can't see two who pitting them.
Are the
Me
trouble
not
pitting them
hear
in the
Paige for
class?
some reason. I don't know what I do wrong.
All right. Do you want fraction?
Just
So
leave it
Daddy is saying she
alone.
wants fractions again tomorrow. All right. So we can combine all fractions tomorrow, Daddy, and then we're gonna look at the decimal, how
Paige,
to
you hear me?
convert a fraction into a decimal. Yes, I hear you. The
Hmm?
link is in the
If
chat,
you
guys.
hear me.
I'm trying to find
Um,
it back. Taryn, just give me a
NT,
minute.
text if you hear me.
Oh my God, where's my? Did I delete it? Oh Jesus! I'm trying to find Instagram. What's my name on Instagram? Ray, what's my name on
No, me
Instagram?
no know what happened. Me no know what happened. God no, me no know what happened. Give me a minute. Don't come off. Can me just reach home. So me I can go in and go on my laptop. Don't come off. I will put
Please
I
don't.
give West, Dolly, NT. All NT won't come off. Everybody won't come off. I don't know what happened. All simple won't come off. Hold on. I drive up in the no I'm not like off the ignition car. Me and Paige if we go buy some leg quarters because we do jerk chicken. If we can go. We are Pennsylvania. You not hear me?
Remember, we don't want
Dolly,
here.
tell
Leave
me
us
if you
alone.
hear me. I'm probably there chat to
Yeah, we
myself.
are here, your
Me
master.
no know what like me
Mr.
go
Star.
out forget the link for PH and then
Um,
I nah see nothing like me no know what me do wrong. Hold on. Yeah, hear me guys? Tell me if you hear me. Him not hear me.
they might hear you,
Oh,
ma.
you
Yeah,
can
that's
hear
the way
me.
I hear you.
Alright.
Jesus, no sir. Anyways,
Barbary Dolly, move up.
all right, Daddy.
Alright, so I'm supposed to get the link then. So I'm gonna make a mistake.
Hold on. I don't
I'm
want to
supposed
end
to
it.
get
Don't
the
end it
link. Me
yet,
not hear
Ray.
PH
Please.
like none at all.
Really?
No, I fear something
Tell
get
him
on
don't
me.
end the live. May I try to find my Instagram name for
Mike
give
or what
Karen.
me do wrong. Text them I come in late. Dolly text I come in. It chat them I come in late. No, I'm beat you. Beat her up, you know.
I'm gonna find about my Instagram.
Simple say Dolly. White yeah, big time thief. You see it.
Ray,
Hold on.
remember we did forgive what's her name? I never remember forgive her. I'm supposed to send some credit
Yeah,
for her.
my job, a PH link, me does job right there. See there up here, some man, my job PH link, man, see there. Right after Dolly say, I am sorry, teacher. Cause she don't want the marks come off. See me right there, so.
Karen, I'm gonna try to find my
Major Pali,
Instagram
man,
name.
please click on it. Do me a beg, gonna click on it and something there.
I try.
Alright, now my thing turn classroom, is it? But me not mind still.
No one come off tomorrow. I don't want to find
Recap my
something.
toughed.
Instagram. What am I?
Shall shop driver for IG. Yeah. Taryn, we are twin.
No. Oh, I forget about this thing.
Oh, you can it long time NT. Yeah, thanks for that. And my IG are Megs Than Music.
Nobody know why your IG, sir.
Yeah. I'm gonna change the name. Megs Than Music.
Ray, what is my
I think me have
what is
NT
my
already. I'm gonna have Dali.
not hear me, not
Dali,
hear
link
me.
me Instagram.
Not hear me. Karen, link no, I just feel like
Like
they're
them not
talking to
reach
myself.
much.
Hear him. Jesus. Anyway, Dali, not Dali, Taryn, try and IG Ray on his IG Megs done, I think, and so I can get my. I don't remember my name on it. I create something. I don't know nothing about social media. Not even remember the name. I'm gonna find my name. This is so bad. And I remember my password. I'll try to get it for you. Just text him and I'm gonna try to get it. That's when I remember nothing about it. Oh, there it is. Here I am. Alright. So my name. Oh Jesus. Oh, my turn. I'm gonna find my thing. Oh, Shan Hamilton. Is that my name, Raymond? Like how you just coming. Is that my name for IG? The name on top of this?
Yeah.
Sean Hamilton?
Nika Shan 123.
Oh my God! You see, I mean, I don't know nothing. All right, so it's Nika. I'm on. Oh, you type it. Type it in the chat for me, please.
Never tell you. You know, we're still going on.
Do what my type it in?
Let me see.
I'm gonna get filled. Then. Oh, she gave me hers. Let me write that down. A touch of tiring. All right, I got yours. Next, Raymond, I got write mine's in there. All right, guys, thank you. That's not it. Not Nova.
Oh, sorry.
Nika.
You know, I guess I'm not like iPhone.
NICA, guys. NICA dot Shan 123.
See, there's still an autocorrect.
All right, thank you, Tammy. Thank you, guys, for coming in. We're cutting this off now. Have a great night. Looking forward for your topic tomorrow. Let us see what topic you guys want me to go through. All right.
You are getting my time?
Blessings. Thank you.